Every logistics system runs on three parallel flows: physical flow, information flow, and money flow. Understanding these three flows is essential to understand how logistics actually functions. Physical flow refers to the actual movement of goods. It includes raw material movement, manufacturing transfers, warehousing, and final delivery. This is the visible side of logistics: transport, handling, and distribution. Information flow refers to the data that controls and tracks physical movement. It includes orders, forecasts, inventory status, shipping documents, and tracking updates. Without information flow, physical logistics cannot be planned or controlled. Money flow refers to all financial transactions in logistics. It includes customers' payment, supplier payments, freight charges, taxes, and credit cycles. This flow determines business sustainability and cash management. Physical, information, and money flows always move together. Goods cannot be moved without data, and no movement is complete without financial settlement. If one flow breaks, the entire logistics system is disrupted. When a customer places an online order, information flows first through systems. Then physical flow begins with picking, packing, and delivery. Finally, money flows through payment collection and settlement with partners. Logistics professionals do not manage only trucks and warehouses. They manage integrated systems of goods, data, and money. Understanding these flows is essential for controlling cost, service, and business performance. To build strong logistics fundamentals, continue learning with LEC. Watch the Foundation series and subscribe for structured logistics education. This is LEC, Logistics Ecosystem Consultant.